for months and out on the lake, but kids are back in school, ain't much longer to wait. I done put my old bass boat up for the year. I got the Packers playing on my TV. That means it won't be long until I'm up in a tree, gonna try and lay the smack down on that deer. Cause it's been a long hot summer, I'm ready for fall, to get in the woods and give it my all. Somebody call the doctor, I got bug fever. Time to break out the bow, get ready my gun. Me and the boys are gonna have some fun. Hey honey, tell the boss man, I got bug fever. I got it oh so bad, bug fever. Well, there ain't nothing like being out in the woods, looking over a green field, sure is good. Just a hoping and praying that he will pass my way. But if he ever does, if I know me, he'll have me shaking so bad like a leaf on a tree. I'm gonna do everything I can to wreck his day. Yeah, it's been a long hot summer, I'm ready for fall, to get in the woods, yeah, and give it my all. Somebody call the doctor, I got bug fever. Time to break out the bow, get ready my gun. Me and the boys about to have some fun. Hey honey, tell the boss man, I got bug fever. I got it bad, y'all. Get your breath and your heart's beating plumb straight out of your chest. It's the best dang high that I've ever felt. Been a hot summer, ready for fall, to get in the woods and give it my all. Somebody call the doctor, I got bug fever. Time to break out the bow, get ready my gun. Me and the boys are fitting to have a little fun. Hey honey, tell the boss man, I think I got it bad, y'all. Somebody call the doctor, I got bug fever. Hey John, hands up. Bug fever. Oh, I see it. Bug fever. I got the camera rolling. What you gonna do? I got it oh so bad. Man, I'm gonna smoke it.
Coming up on a hillside, propane stove in a pit blind. It's a sweet 16 hanging over the mantle that your granddaddy gave to you. It's closing that kettle gate real slow, hot hands in your pocket when you're real cold. I can tell you but you can't know, you won't know until you go. It's the way to go, long spanks through the breeze and the trees when I'm sitting in a white oak stand. And I do it because it's in my blood, it's just a part of who I am. I find my way back to my roots every time I lace my boots. Hit the woods in the dark before the sun comes up. That's why I talking back from a hayfield, whistle at dawn from a green wing tail. It's an 8x10 in your first book, gonna get a granddaddy's truck. It's the way the girl on speeds through the breeze and the trees when I'm sitting in a white oak stand. And I do it because it's in my blood, it's just a part of who I am.
It's gonna go down. Damn. What do you think?
When I'm sitting in a white oak stand, and I do it because it's in my blood. It's just